To customize always on display on Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening settings. Next you will have to go below into some personalization options and open always on display. First of all, you will probably change the display items because as default it's set for the 10 seconds after tapping. So if you want to get your always on display to be visible always, like its name says, you have to go for this option, or for example you can schedule this if you want from specific time, so it will automatically turn on and off. Now when we go back from this one, as you can see, we can find here a lot of different themes. We can add custom text by selecting signature. We can add classic clock, some animated themes, this one, and also we can select a stock picture and also the custom one. So let's say that we are gonna add, for example, this picture. We can change color of our clock and these widgets that are visible over here, but also you are able to remove them if you want. So this is up to your preferences. And now if you want to apply, you have to just click on this button, and that's how you can actually customize AOD on this phone.